Hello guys, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Pancakeswap for trading crypto. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first thing that we need to know is to access to our exchange. And basically, the one we are using now is Pancakeswap. So all you need to do is just to go to your web browser and make sure that you are typing pancakeswap.finance and it will take you to this home page. And make sure that you are in this website and from here you can start trading crypto. So all you need to do now is just to connect any wallets that you have. So basically you click on connect wallet and from here you will need just to add the address of your wallet, etc. And you can have some other wallets like the Exodus one, etc. And it seems that uh, the website is kind of lagging, and all you need to do is to click on the connect wallet, and after that, or after connecting your wallet, from here you can start trading. And basically I'm just clicking on trade, and now you can just choose any token that you would like to trade or to swap, and from here you select also another one, and you can start swapping the number of the tokens that you would like, etc. And of course, you can do here, you can buy crypto, you can have some play to earn or some games like these, and you can also start trading NFTs. And for buying crypto, you will need just to go to buy crypto, and this is how much you want to spend from your tokens, and those are or from your uh, funds, and you want to choose the tokens that you would like, either BNB or USDT, USDC, and after that you will need just to connect to your wallet, and when you connect your wallet from here or choosing any wallets that you would like, you will be able to start buying, and then you can either swap, etc. You can swap your liquidity, or I mean your tokens, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.